Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial, we're going to discuss and see how you can create a perfect Facebook page. And I'm going to go and walk you through each step and show you how you can create a Facebook page. So let's jump in. The first thing that you need to do is you need to head to your preferred browser. It can be any browser of your choice. I'm going to go with Mozilla, and as you can see, I'm here on my Facebook home feed. So basically, once you're on your Facebook home feed, what you need to do is you need to head here to these 9 dots here in this menu section, click on it, and this drop down window will open up. And now what you need to do is you need to go and click on page. Once you click on page, this window will pop up. Here you can see there is a title named create a page. You need to enter the name of the page and the category in the bio. So on this side, on the right side, you can see that there is a desktop preview in the middle of the screen, and here you can see when each information that you add about your page is going to appear here, and you can see it here. And here you can switch it to a mobile phone preview or a desktop preview. So we're going to go and add a name for this page, which I think is going to be something like Banana Travels. Just for this video's sake, I'm going to go with this name, and after that we can go with travel. And here you can see it's travel company, and I should also tell you that you can add multiple categories here. So I'm gonna go with travel again. As you can see, there are multiple options, and I'm gonna type in different ones. It's gonna be travel and transportation too, and there's gonna be another one. It's gonna say that travel agency. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bio. It's optional, but it's better and it is good to add a bio for your Facebook page, because people can know. Basically, a bio can be just a short introduction to what your page or what your company are doing or your shop is doing. So I'm going to say, okay, this is my bio. For the sake of this example, I'm going to go with this bio. And after that, once you enter these, you can see them here. As you can see, the bio appears here. So make it short, but make it like it makes a point. The bio should be short, but it should make a point regarding your business. It should introduce your business in a better way. So after that, what you need to do is you need to go and click on create page. Now, once you click on create page, it's gonna do a little bit of processing, and once the processing is done, it's gonna get started where you're gonna add more details about your Facebook page. So here you can see we got to the second part. Now in the second part, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the website. The website, if you don't have any, you can just keep it empty. If you have one, you can enter it. So I'd prefer that you can even create a blog post of a website and just you can enter it here. So for the phone number, I'm going to enter my phone number here, and I would just blur it out. And after for the email, I'll just enter my email. And when each detail you enter, you're going to see it appear here on the intro section. I've blurred them, but you would have them here, and you could see each detail that you enter is going to show up here. Now for the address, what you're going to do is you're going to enter the address of your company's office or your shop, or if it's of your own, I would prefer that add something like a post office or something, but don't enter your own personal address. So this is a company, so I'm going to add its own, like the company's office's address. It's here. So I'm going to go and enter this. And yeah, and after that, we can enter the zip code. And after that, once you enter your location, what you're going to do is you're going to select a specific hour when your office is going to be open for the public or for the customer to visit. So mine's a travel company. People are going to contact me regarding their tours and travel. So I would just click on always open, because since it's going to be an online contact thing, so yeah, it's always open, so I can reach back to them. Or if I'm not available, the bot can reply to them and send them answers to questions. And I'm going to show you how you can set that up too. After that, what you need to do is you need to click on next, and once you click on next, a bit of processing will take, and after that it'll ask you for a profile picture and a cover picture. If you are starting a company, you should have a logo or something and a cover picture. If you don't have any, just like for this example's sake, you can go to any free stock image provider, just like unsplash.com. If you need any free pictures, you can grab it from this website. So I'm going to go and type in something like Before this update, you would have to select a specific size of picture for the cover, but now you can crop it in on the platform, which is a plus point, because before this you would have to make the cover page of an exact size to put it on your cover, but now you can just drag and position it right here. As you can see, if you click on the picture and hold it and just drag it, you can just place the picture as you want. I wanted to show you this, and again, okay, so once you have added your cover and your profile picture, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add Action button, and here you will get this option. This window will pop up. What you need to do is try it, click on it, and then after that you will select the option through which people can contact you, or what they're going to do when they visit your page. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to select one of these options which relates to your business, which you can provide to the people what you're trying to sell. So I would just go and click on Send a Message, and after that click Next. Okay, so after that, what it's going to do is it's going to say that the action button will let people to send message to Banana Travels on Messenger. So I would say click on save, and it'll take a bit of a processing, and then after that the button will be added. And what are you going to do is after that click on next, and it'll take a bit of a processing, and we'll go on the next stage of page creation process. Okay, so after that, once that's done, what's going to happen is going to tell you to invite your friends. If you want to invite your friends, you can just click here and select the friends that you want to invite to like your page, and you can just go through your friend list, and you can just add people who are who you want to invite. So you can just go and select 1,000 people at once and send them an invite to your Facebook page, or you can just select the specific ones that you want to. So for now, I'll just click cross because I don't want to invite anyone for now, and I'll just click on next. Okay, after that, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you that do you want this page to send notification to your profile whenever somebody contacts you or likes a post or comments on a post. I would toggle this on. I'll suggest you to toggle the switch on, so when people contact you on your page, you should know that what's going on, and you can just reach out to them. And after that, what you need to do is click on done. Okay, after this processing is done, we are halfway through creating the Facebook page for our business. And after that, what's going to do is it's going to ask you about some of the cookies thing, that we're going to allow the cookies on our browser, and after that it's going to give you a tour. For now, I'll just click not now, and as you can see, our page is here. But now we're going to add some more things into it, just like if we go to edit, and as you can see all the details that we've added, we can just click edit about, and here we can just add the website or the social media link that we want to add, and the price ranges and stuff. So what we're going to do is, we know that the area of service, the category is this. We can just click here, area of service, and then we can type in something like, through this people can know that where you are providing your service or selling your service. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, come to your websites and social media links, and click here, and you can add your social media link here, just like Instagram. So I can just go and type in the name of my company. If I have an Instagram page, it's going to appear here. You can basically divert the traffic from your Facebook page to your other social media channels. Okay, after that I'll click cancel, and after that, when you come down here, you can add the price range, so people can know that when they are searching for a specific kind of travel tour, they can know what's going on and what they can expect from you. So let's suppose some people or someone searches for cheap tour company. If I select it on cheap, it's going to prefer them to my business. If I keep it too expensive and they search for cheap, my business won't show up for them. So I'll click on moderate, and after that I'll click on save. So this is going to take a bit of processing, and then it's going to be done. And after that, I can click here, and it's going to say use of pronoun. I can click here, and I can go with neutral, because since it's a company, it's going to be neutral. And then after that, I can click on save. Okay, so once after that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to go head down and click on language. We can add language, that what kind of people we are dealing with. So I would just add languages here, and once that's done, we'll continue. So I've added a few here, for example, and we can add more when we are providing services. Basically, it's a travel company, so it should be open to different people from different places and different origin. So after that, it's going to say that interested in, who you're interested in. So basically this, I would say, keep it on both. And after that, religious view and political view, I would prefer that if it's for your business, if this is a business page, just keep them blank. Okay, so after that, what you're going to do is click on privacy. After that, we're going to click on privacy, add privacy policy links and stuff. You can add them for your company, or if you're a YouTuber or internet personality, you can add your privacy and legal information stuff here. Then we go to work and education. You can add these here too if it's for some specific celebrity or person. After that, place you lived. I guess this is since this is a travel company, I would just keep them blank, but I can add the city here, and I just type in London because it's operating in London, and I just click this and click on save. Okay, it's done. Save. We can go to page transparency. We can, if we want to share our information with other people, they can know here basically what are people going to see when they click on this page. So after that, you're going to click on family and relationship. You can add any other members to this page, and once these are done, you can just start posting on your Facebook page. So this is how you can create a Facebook page for your company or for a celebrity. I hope you liked this video, you found this helpful. If you have any question, please write it down in the comment. I would love to answer that. And yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.